up, YouTubers? Just trying to show you something. I'm gonna check my tire because it's been getting low, and I found a nail right here. I don't know if you can see it from here, right here in this spot. Okay, so the stuff that I'm gonna use to fix this tire are these right here. This kit right here, you can get it at Dollar General, and I got some pliers, and to check where the air's coming out, I use water and soap, and I'm going to show you how this works. Here, just a second, let me open the bottle. So look, I'm gonna put some right there, and it's gonna bubble. You see that? That's bubbling right there. Put some more, and it bubbles, and that is where the air, is coming out. And that's how you do it. So I'm gonna try to get this nail out. I think it's a nail. And the only thing I have is these pliers. And I'm gonna try to take that out. Let me see. Let me see real quick. Yeah, that's not gonna work. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this pick right here, and I'm gonna press the nail in because I cannot take it out. But first, before you do that, get this ready. Okay, here, just a second. Let me put the phone here real quick, and I'll get back to you guys real quick. Just a second. Let me grab one of these. So it's one of these from that pack. So now I have to stick this into that right there. So it's gonna look like this, guys. Like this right here. You put it right in there. So it's gonna look like this. Okay, and then you're gonna put it in here, in there. But first, I'm gonna put some glue, and it's this stuff right here. This is called rubber cement, and I'm gonna stick it right here. Okay, so I'm gonna put this up here, and then I'm gonna open this real quick. It's already opened. So I'm gonna put the glue on it, all over it. Come on, baby. Oh, let's go. Let me take it to the other side. And then put more. Right there. Okay, now with this pick, you will pick this because it does not want to come out with the pliers, and you push it in. You push it in until it's all the way in. There you go. Okay, it's all the way in, and now I gotta put this pick in and clean it. go round and round. Wait just a second. There you go, round and round. Then it gets nice and clean. There you go. Now I'm gonna take it out, and now it's real good, and it's in. It's in right there. So there's no more air sticking out, which I hope it works, because it should work. Right there, guys. And I don't hear no more air, but just in case, always check with water and soap, which I got right here in this 3 liter bottle. So let's check this baby again. Just a second. Okay. No more bubbles. Look at that. No more bubbles, baby. I might have to put another one. Okay, guys, and this is how it's supposed to be. No leaks, and I already put some soap and water. Let me show you guys again. Look at that, no leaks at all. And that is how you temporarily fix the tire. I think this will last like a month, man, because I had a nail on the front one, and it's been like a month and a half, and it's still good. So thank you very much, guys. Okay, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notifications. Thank you very much. Love y'all.